Hello, I'm that James guy, and this is a real quick part 2 video to my EV coolant change video. After I drove all the way to the coast, that's about 365 kilometers, 230 miles, all went well, and made it all the way there with about 27 clicks left on the of range left. Then I went for lunch, and I noticed my warning lamp was on the car. Went and grabbed lunch, came back, and then I opened the hood, and I noticed that the battery coolant loop had gone down, had burped, and gone down like till it was basically empty. So I had a spare jug of coolant along, like I said I would, and I filled it up. But the light has remained on, like numerous trips, numerous runs, and then I drove all the way back yesterday, again the same distance. Didn't even need a charge, got back with 42 kilometers left. That's like 25, 26 miles. A bit tight, but I knew I'd make it. Not a big deal. So let's just first see if the lamp is on the next day. Turn the car on. Oh, as you can see there, we've got the warning lamp on still. So I have my Wi-Fi OBD connector. So let's just go ahead and pull this up, shall we? Alright, first thing we have to do is connect to that thing. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Phone's gonna warn me that I don't have a actual internet connection, but that's okay. Get out of here. Connecting. I do have it set up as a Chevy Bolt profile. You can load profile. This is car scanner. It's free. Doesn't get you that many features, but let's go and look at diagnostic trouble codes. I'm gonna switch them all on, because why not? Read. Alright, OBD. Goes through all the modules. Ooh, we got some. Powertrain control module 2 requested MIL, that's malfunction indicator light, illumination, test fail, blah blah blah, general electric failures. Oh, see, keep trying Wi-Fi. Stored, are they active? I don't know, let's clear them, shall we? I think it was just low coolant, but it doesn't actually say on here why. Weird. Clear. Warning, clearing things, lights still on. DTC clearing. Let's turn the car off for like 10 seconds. Turning the car back on. Still have a warning lamp. So, shut this all off and we will go ahead and disconnect the batteries for a few seconds here. There, disconnected. All right, that's been a couple minutes. Ooh, some noises. Not too tight. Oh, that light went out. I knew immediately. The light is out. No way. Okay, it remains out. We are going to clear these faults. Are you sure? Clearing completed. Open, then close driver window. I don't know. I'm getting weird warnings, folks. Alright. Cycle the power. Turn the car on. Light went back out. Light is still out. See if we can read. Oh my goodness! No codes. Oh. Left driver window motor circuit malfunction. That's new. My dash is giving me a weird warning. Let's roll the window down and up. It seems to work fine. Clearing that code out. It's kind of somewhat impressive that this free phone app can have a Chevy Bolt, like specific codes. And I did find that with my BMW as well. I could pull all the BMW specific codes. So this app, quite impressive. This Wi-Fi OBD2 connector, 25 bucks on like Amazon. This is not a big investment to get a code reader. So this is great. Seems like we've got no codes now. We're gonna drive it around for a few days. Oh, I didn't check the coolant level after I got home yesterday, so let's just quickly do that. Heater we didn't use, it's fine. The battery one, this was the one that was low. It is still up to the line, it is perfect. And our power electronics, like all this stuff right over here. Here's our main inverter, it goes through here. Here's our DC to DC converter, it's in here. The battery charger's underneath, goes through there. All these coolant hoses end up here. The pump is straight below. It's just above full. I'm not too concerned. We're gonna leave that, and I think, well, we'll drive for a few days and see what happens. So, well, hopefully this is helpful for you if you change the coolant and you get a warning lamp if it runs low. That's how you clear it, I hope. I hope it stays out. I hope you found this useful or at least mildly entertaining. I will see you next time.